In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build lead generation quizzes in Typeform, providing you with a thorough overview ranging from crafting basic quizzes to using advanced logic and creating personalized endings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in and get you started on your journey to creating engaging, interactive quizzes that not only captivate your audience but also generate valuable leads for your business. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Typeform account. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to create one. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, go ahead and hit the option that says Create a New Form. Now, you'll be greeted with an important choice. You can either start from scratch or take advantage of one of Typeform's many quiz templates. The templates range from trivia to personality quizzes, serving as wonderful inspiration if you're unsure where to begin. Next, let's discuss how to pick the right quiz type for your needs. Typeform offers various modes that cater to specific goals. For instance, there's the score quiz mode, which is perfect for educational purposes. This type allows you to assign points to each answer, showing users their total score at the end, making it great for knowledge checks. Alternatively, there's the match quiz mode. This mode can be incredibly engaging for users, as it assigns answers to possible outcomes and displays the best match based on the total points accumulated. This is ideal for personality tests or even product recommendations. Lastly, we have the knowledge quiz mode, a more recent addition that offers participants immediate feedback, right or wrong, as they navigate through the quiz. With the type of quiz in mind, it's time to delve into building your quiz content. This is where Typeform truly shines, delivering a user-friendly experience that allows you to add questions in various formats. You can opt for multiple-choice questions, drop-downs, picture choice, or even simple yes-no options. If you're looking to keep things organized, consider using question groups. These groups can be structured thematically or sorted by difficulty to create a more coherent and streamlined experience. Don't hesitate to elevate your questions with media either. You can upload images or even embed videos to make your quiz more visually engaging and appealing. This can significantly enhance the user experience, keeping participants more invested in the outcome. Now, let's talk about setting up scoring and logic, an essential part of making your quiz interactive and tailored to the participant's experience. If you're going with a score quiz, navigate to the Workflow tab under your Settings, select Branching, and begin assigning points to the correct answers. For example, you might add 1 point for each correct response. Using logic is a crucial component here as well. You can guide the flow of your quiz based on participant scores, allowing you to decide whether they should progress to the next set of questions or receive a specific ending based on their performance. If you're venturing into match quizzes, head over to the Content panel and select the Match Quiz mode. You can then define your matching rules and set up different quiz endings, with each answer contributing toward a particular outcome. Just remember, if there's a tie-in points, the first listed ending will be used. As we start wrapping things up, let's focus on personalizing the finish of your quiz. You can add ending screens for each potential outcome or score range. This is the perfect opportunity to include dynamic text, such as showing the participant's actual score, which can be done using variables like @score. You can even employ branching logic here to display different ending screens based on performance. Imagine showing a celebratory screen for high scorers. Lastly, it's time for the fun part, polishing the look and feel of your quiz. Start with a welcome screen that provides some introductory text or instructions. From there, customize the design settings, including the fonts, colors, backgrounds, and themes, to ensure the quiz aligns with your brand. Before you officially go live, always remember to preview your quiz in both desktop and mobile views. This is essential to ensure everything operates smoothly and looks great on all devices. When you're satisfied with your wonderfully crafted quiz, simply hit Publish or Share to make it accessible to participants, and there you have it, a seamless process.